So there's a few ways to add data into Qlik. Starting out in our catalog view, which is integrated directly into Qlik, looking at all of our governed data that's been prepared, transformed, and is now available to me as a self-service user. I'll begin by searching for my Bakeoff data. Now Qlik has returned 2 tables and it's giving me scoring information on them to help me decide if I want to add them to my analysis, so I don't have to cross my fingers and hope I'm using the best possible data set. I'm going to go ahead and select these tables and then add them to my app. Now, I want to link these tables, of course. Just by selecting a table, Qlik tells me a likely association can be made through visual indicators. And what you'll see is that Qlik has created this association on country code and year, even though the columns were named differently. Notice I didn't say join, so with Qlik associations, you never have to worry about data getting left behind or double counted, which we all know can lead to incorrect findings like you do when you're using joins. Now, I've got a couple more data sets to add for my local machine, a text file and an Excel file. I've got Windows Explorer pulled up and I'll simply drag and drop them onto my app. And now I'll use Insight Advisor's Recommended Associations panel to create my final table connections. Now this isn't the perfect data set, it never is, so I have a few data model changes that I need to make, and I'll do that for my table view. From here, I'm going to go ahead and parse out my location field to create separate county and state fields. So I've created my county field, and here's my state field. And now I'll create some life expectancy buckets. I'll just call them low, medium, and high because I'm feeling super creative today. And in just a couple clicks, I've now got a complete data model. Here you go. No scripting, 4 tables, 3 different data sources. And P.S., you can connect to virtually any data source and add as many tables as you want in Qlik without running into issues like you do with query-based tools. So you just click Load Data Now and you're off to the races building a dashboard. So I've begun creating a dashboard, and now I want to use this new field I created in the Data Manager. I'm going to use my Global Smart Search to see where the low and medium life expectancy counties are in Kentucky. Using the Global Search, Qlik will scan across all the fields loaded into this app, and just like a Google search, Qlik will be smart enough to know how to rank the hits, and I can see exactly what I'm looking for at the top. Now I'm going to focus my attention on the low life expectancy counties. And you might notice at the top that through Qlik's green, white, and gray color scheme, it's telling me I don't have any counties in Kentucky with high life expectancy rates. And then I can also see the states that don't have counties with low life expectancy rates. And this is all made possible through Qlik's patented associative model and simply can't be done in a query-based tool. Finally, I'm going to go ahead and go into edit mode and use that new life expectancy bucket field to color my scatter plot. Now let's recap what we did. We first used our catalog view to confidently load our governed Bakeoff data sets. Then Qlik's Insight Advisor helped us create our table associations. And next we used Qlik's Intuitive Data Manager to create custom groupings. And finally, Qlik's Global Search gave us immediate findings using our new custom grouping.